Hello friends, hope you all are okay. My name is Rahul Mittal and today's video we will learn about macros in Excel. So let's start. Friends, first of all we will learn that what is macro. So macro is a record and playback tool that simply record your Excel steps and the macro will play it back as many times as you want. For example, if you want to do any activity on Excel and that activity you want to repeat again and again, then macro will help you to record that activity and run as many times as you want. There is easily two steps required for macros. First, enable your developer option, and second, enable your macro settings. So let's see how can we do this. Friends, as you can see, my developer option is enabled here, but this developer option is not enabled in your system or in your Excel. Then go to files, click to options. Here you can check customize ribbon, and once it will open, you can check developer option from here and click OK. Once you will click OK, this developer option will enable. So once I will go in a developer option, I will go to micro security, double click here, and I will enable my all micro settings. Select this option, last one, and click OK. Once you click OK, your micro settings are done. Friends, as you can see in this Excel, I have first name, maths marks, English, class name, class English, roll number, section, science, marks, Hindi marks, and last name. Friends, as you can see, this is not a proper Excel data and it is also not a presentable mode. So what will I do? I will record this activity and make it a presentable mode. So let's see how can we do this. So first of all, go to developers and click on this micro record micro. Click here. Once you click, it will ask for your whatever you want to record, that file name. So I am just giving micro demo. This is my name. Friends, just remember that do not give any space in between the name. If you give any space, then it will give you error. So if you want to show some space, then it's good that you can use underscore here. Let's see how can we do. If I give micro space demo and click OK, then it will give me error. So for removing error, what will I do? You can do use underscore or you can remove the space. Here you will give your uh, description if required, like I am giving test description. Here it will ask you where you want to save. So I am currently saving in this workbook. Otherwise you can save in your personal micros or new workbook, whatever you want. This shortcut key is also required, but if you have familiar with macros that or if you have a good hands-on on macros, then you can directly run by using shortcut key. Otherwise, if you are doing macros in first time, so I suggest do it systematic way. So what I am doing, I just click on OK. Once you click on OK, here you can see that stop recording option are enabled. That means my micro recording are now started. So what will I do? I will create another sheet of same data, move till the end, create another copy. Here you can see sheet number 2 is ready. Now I will make changes here. So here I will insert last name and I will copy this name here and paste here. I will remove this data. Now first name, last name, what will I do? I will insert one more row and write full name. For full name, what will I do? I will use a formula equals to concatenate first name, comma, last name, close the bracket and press enter. Here you can see that Rahul and Mittal, their first and last name will join. Now I will drag to till the end. Here I will give one more column, and that is a class. So I will just copy all the things and paste here. Similarly, I will use roll number here after class. So here I will insert one more row. It's a class roll number. Okay, I just click here and I will class roll number, and here I will give section. So I will just copy this, and in this column I will give the section. Now I just remove this here, remove this. Now you can see that my activity is done. I will make it center aligned to look better. I will make it adjustable, give the border, make it viewable. I am giving bold, give any color if you want. I am giving this color. Select and click here, it will auto adjust. Make it proper, systematic. Here I don't want roll number, so I will just remove this. Here you can see my first name, last name, my full name. Now I will again, now it is looking proper. So this activity I want to repeat it again and again. So what will I do? I will go to developer again, click on stop recording, and my micro activity is done. Now I will save that file. So go to files, click on save as, select the path where you want to save. I am just saving it into my desktop. Here I am selecting my desktop, and now I will write the file name as micro demo and save as type, select Excel micro enable workbook and save. I will close it. I will go to my file again. Now I will run it. So what will I do? I will just delete that file to show you that it is working or not. Just delete. Here I will go to developer. Here I will select micro, and that is my file which I want to run. That is a micro demo. I will just, it is selected already. Just click run. Once it will run, you can see that whatever activity you have done is repeat here. Similarly, you can repeat that activity again and again. So just click again, you can click run, and the third sheet will be created as the second sheet or third sheet. Both have same. So this is the way you can record and play your Excel activity using micros. So friends, hope this is a useful video for you. If you think this is a useful video for you, then please like my video, share with your friends, and also subscribe my channel. Till then, keep practicing and have a great day. Thank you.